Make a great choice today with the 2008 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: automatic transmission, daytime running lights, remote power door locks, rear seat entertainment system, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, power steering, engine hour meter. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.